just I just covered. Oh my goodness, now I don't know where the bicycle lane is. Is it here? Whew. Okay, let me show you once I Oh my goodness, I'm falling in. I think I need to work at the bicycle lane. As I go in here, it's like kind of slippery, and then I go in, and then I go in, then I go in. Oh my goodness! And just look at the cars. Everything is covered in snow. Everything is covered in snow. Oops! Oh my goodness! Okay, I don't know how to show you this. Okay, I don't know. Do I have the right type of shoes to go playing in the snow with? I don't know. It's crazy. This is the time that I take my mother's advice seriously on how to use a jacket. This is how my mom says if you want to use a jacket, these jerseys are mad. Oh! These jerseys are meant to be used. That's the purpose of it. All those years growing up, I didn't see the purpose of closing a jacket, but now I'm finally realizing that my eyes, the snow is hitting. Let me eat. Okay. I'm just exercising, I tell you. I'm dedicated to my gigs, so I'm just exercising with the little that I have, but I can't run because I will fall. Yes. So I'm just enjoying. Hi. Oh my goodness, and I'm loving it. Okay, I need to go to the park. I look too silly right now. Okay. Ooh. It's like it's snowing and it's blowing. Do I need some coffee? I didn't buy any coffee, so I don't think I need any coffee right now. Not at all. Yes. You know, dipping in, dipping in. Today decided just to pour and pure and pure. Oh my goodness. playing in the snow. Oh, I can't take it anymore. I'm freezing. I think I need to go back home just to get. I didn't even stay here for 5 minutes. Okay, this is how I look. And I'm freezing. I can't feel my hands. I can't feel my hands at all. I think I need to warm up my hands so I can take the best picture. It's really snowing here. And I'm loving it. Yes. Hello there. Snowy. This is how everybody's playing with the snow. I'm gonna give them 60 degrees. All the kids are enjoying here. There's no time for, saying hi or tarara, it's cold. We might pass used to it. We can. Feel my hands. At least I tried. At least I tried to stay there for, is it 5 minutes or 10 minutes? At least I tried to go, but I can't feel my face. I can't feel anything right now. It's cold, Mom. It is back later. I can't feel anything right now. It's cold. I'm just loving it. I need to go back home, but I need to make the last moment count. I need to make the last moments count. Come on. Come on. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. It's my first time in snow. I'll just run back home. Should I make a snowman? Really, Mina? You're all covered in snow. I'm all covered in snow right now. Ooh, I need a hot bath after this. Please, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Right now, my hands are freezing. I need to go back home. I can't anymore. I just entertain the crowd there. Oh my goodness. My hands are I just can't. Okay, are these robots working? What's it? So nobody ride the bicycle during snow. Okay. Okay. And this side of the cars. Okay. I froze. And you can see all the snows here. I don't see any bicycle riding, so I assume it's safe to work here because it's snowing and I need to go and cool off at home right now before I come back for turn 2. Turn 2, we are coming to make a snowman. But right now I need some hotness before I can go back to the snowman. Let me eat these snow particles. Just look at the glass. A real definition of okay. Look at my ear. It's coming here or is it just snow? Bicycles. This was fun. I know what kept me back home is just that I need to. What kept me back home is that I need to warm my body up, even with all these jackets and hoodies that I have on my head. It doesn't help at all. I will need a real hot chocolate or hot something hot. But you know, I don't know. The road looks funny because okay, I don't know where the junction is that I usually